Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are some answers. The Great Brute X Cicada invasion of 2021 can't last forever. The loud and tasty insects that appear every 17 years have been seen and heard around central Indiana for a few weeks.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What to do with cicada shells? Add them to compost. You can mix dead cicadas and their empty shells into your compost pile or bin, where their potassium and nitrogen-rich exoskeletons can improve organic matter. Turn them into mulch. Bury them in a hole. Let them decompose on your lawn.
Take our lead.
The 2021 cicadas, known as Brood X, are set to surface any day now, so long as the conditions are right. They were last seen in 2004, so there has been a 17-year absence of cicadas in the United States of America.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.